All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 6 of your November daily math. What number am I? Here's some clues. There's a 5 in the ones place, 2 in the hundreds place, and a 9 in the tens place. So I see 3 places here. Let's fill those up. 5 in the ones place, so our ones column is over here. A 2 in the hundreds place, so that's over here. And a 9 in the tens place, that's right here. So 295 is our number. All right, write this number using words. So let's just say it again. 295. So now let's write that. 295. And you can remember too, in the back of your blue folder, on the one side is how we write all of our different numbers and tens, 20s, 30s, the teens, the hundreds, all that, right? So that's back there for you. All right. Number 3 says, round 453 to the nearest 10. First, we're going to fill in tens. 42, 43, so 440, 450, 460, 470, 480. Okay, and then we're going to draw a dot at about the spot where 453 is on the number line. So it's going to be between the 450 and the 460 because it's 450 something. So halfway is about right there, so that'd be about 455, right? So 453 is going to be between 450 and 455, so how about like right here? Let's put a big old dot right there. All right. Now, to the nearest 10, where is that? Is it closer to 450 or 460? Well, it's closer to 450. Very good. So when we use our words, we're trying to get it to the 10 spot. We look next door, remember? 4 or less, let it rest, which brings us to the 450. Okay, write each number, and then we're going to use less than, greater than, or equal to. So we have 1 in the hundreds, 1 in the tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the ones. Here we have 1 in the hundreds, 2 in the tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we're reading this, we're going to read across left to right. 119 is less than 125. Okay? All right. How many days in 1 week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7. How many days in 2 weeks? 7 plus 7, or 2 times 7, is 14. All right. Way to go, boys and girls. Count them up, put your score down, and away we go. We will see you tomorrow.